Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm trying to install VirtualBox Guest Additions on Ubuntu right now, and yeah, I ran into this error. It literally says BZip2 not found. Please install BZip2 tar, which is kind of weird because you don't really expect this. So what I did first was I just opened the folder, right clicked, open terminal here, and then I tried to run the autorun.sh file, and yeah, same error pops up again. So if you are getting these, don't worry, it's actually really easy to fix. Basically what's happening is Ubuntu is missing a couple of packages that VirtualBox needs. So first thing I'm gonna do is just type sudo apt update and just let that run. It's gonna refresh everything in the background. Alright, once that's done, now we just install the missing stuff. So type sudo apt install bzip2 tar y, hit enter, and just let it do its thing. This is basically installing the exact packages that the error was asking for. Alright, that's done. Now let's try this again. I'm just gonna clear this type ls. Yeah, all the files are here. Now run bash autorun.sh, enter the password, and there you go, no error this time. Now it actually starts installing properly, and after a few seconds your screen is gonna resize automatically, which means everything is working. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you were stuck on that BZip2 error, this is the fix.